In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger notification not working issue. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I'd love to help you out in the comment section down below. So if you're not getting the notifications you want from Messenger, the easiest way to fix it is to go in your settings, go down below until you find Messenger. It should be somewhere around here, and if you can't find it, you can just go up and search for it, but it should be somewhere around here. Messenger, here it is. You click on Messenger, you go on notifications right here, and you want to make sure you have allowed all notifications right here. So it's like this, and it's allowed on lock screen, notification center, banners, and so on. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.